Let's take a look at example number 2. The first step in using algebra to solve real-world problems is to take the facts from the context of the situation and represent them with symbols. Of 799 students or teens surveyed about what they do online, some of them use a social network. Of those on the social network, 430 say people of their age are mostly kind online, and the remaining 193 do not. Write an equation to find the number of teens surveyed who are not on a social network. Go ahead and take a moment to try that on your own. Okay, let's walk through it step by step. Step 1, identify each unknown and assign a variable to it. Read the problem. What are you asked to find? You are asked to find the number of teens surveyed who are not on a social network. So we want N to equal the number of teens who are not on a social network. Step 2, identify the givens and their relationship. Reread the problem. What are you given? The givens are 799 teens were surveyed. Some number of teens use a social network. Blank of those say people are mostly kind and the others do not. So let's scroll back up and see what those two numbers are. 430 say they're mostly kind. 193 say not. So 430 and 193. How are the givens related? The group of 799 was surveyed. The 430 and 193 make up the group that are on a social network. The rest are not on a social network. Step 3, use the sentence as an equation. Use the variable, the givens, and the relationships to write the equation. The sum of the teens on a social network and those not on a social network is 799. So we know we've got 430 plus 193 plus some unknown number, and that has to equal 799. Is there only one equation that represents this situation? Decide that on your own and let us know what you think.